Oh, hey, what's up? Steven here, Flex Arm. This week's product highlight video, we're going to talk about the multi-position head on your Flex Arm RNR M20-4, 20-6, GHM18, and GHM24. So a quick overview on it, you've got two kip levers on the arm itself. What you're going to want to do is break both of those guys down. You're going to take your blue alignment plug, align it up to the material on a horizontal surface, then you're going to lock in the top lever here. So guys, this is very important because what you want to make sure is you keep the swivel unlocked. So while the swivel is unlocked, it's actually going to compensate for the arc of the arm. To go back into horizontal, simply put your alignment plug back on there, bring it back over this way, put it on your horizontal surface, then we're going to lock both sides in. That's this week's product highlight video.